Okay, so here is some instruction on how to edit and access interactive worksheets in Google Slide format within Google Classroom. So I'm going to head over to Miss Leonard's math class. Of course, this could go to any class, but it will show up differently if I go into my own. So if I head into classwork and I view my work, and let's say I'm going into Friday Engage Literacy. So if you are going into assignment that you can edit, it will have your name followed by the title of whatever the worksheet is labeled. So you're going to click on it and it should bring you to this page here. Okay, so some worksheets may not have a specific indicator, but if there's a question, okay, there should be a text box there. So if you double click on it, it should bring up this blinking cursor here. And so you're just going to press the return button a few times and then you should be able to type. Now, in my class, if there's ever a spot where a student can type, it will say click here to type ... and all they have to do is click on where it says twice, and then they can edit that box. So for this one, it's their name, Miss McNulty, and they can edit it however they need to in order for it to work. Alright, and then so let's say I'm done editing my worksheet. Okay, I just have to make sure that all changes are saved in Drive. Okay, so then I'm going to go exit out of the document, go back to this assignment here, click View Details, and then once I'm sure that it's all done and completely saved, then I'm going to press the Turn In button. Now, if I have to add something, let's say you have to add a picture, or maybe you can't edit the document for whatever reason, you can press the Add or Create button, and then you can link anything on here. If you need to create a new Google Doc, a new PowerPoint, you probably won't have to use Sheets or Drawings, but if you have to create one of those two things, or if you want to upload a PDF or a picture, or you want to enter in a link for whatever reason, or attach something from Google Drive, this is where you would do it. So once I'm completely finished, let's say I'm going to add a file. Okay, so I will drag, say, this PDF here into this space. I'll press upload. It should upload. Okay, it'll come over here. And let's say I wanted to create a Google Doc. I would press the Create Google Doc button. And then if it doesn't come up automatically, you can just click it right there. And then I can just edit as I need to and create whatever it is that I need to based on what the assignment is. Again, before you exit, make sure all changes are saved in Drive. You can turn it in here, but I recommend just going back to this main page here and then turning in all these documents. Okay, now here it's going to ask you if you're sure that you want to turn in all these documents, and as long as everything looks okay and you make sure everything is saved in Google Drive, then you press the Turn In button. And that's how it should look. Now, if you realize that things weren't saved before it's due, you may press the Unsubmit button to continue to edit your work before you resubmit it. But that's everything on how you submit and edit interactive worksheets. Thanks for watching!